what's up? It's your girl Taija G, and I'm here today with another video.
J Squad.
You and me will always be tied. Family every single day and night. Even when you start acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do. I know that I can always be myself. I love you more than anybody. And every day as a man, not be cool. You know there's no one I love as much as you. Family, a family, proud family.
I want to be showing you some of the natural hairdos that I looked up. I'm going to figure out how to do it, and then I'm going to do a get ready with me makeup video. I have been looking around and seeing other people do makeup, and so this is my attempt to do one. So if you think that I did good on this video, hashtag yes Taija G, and if you think I did bad, hashtag no Taija G. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already, and hit that like button, okay? Also, go ahead and click that bell right there so that you can get notifications when I post my new videos, okay? Alright, so let's get started. So I'm going to be using this Pond's right here. You can see it. It is the Pond's Dry Skin Cream. I always use that to moisturize my face. So I think I'm going to do my hair first. So what I've been doing is, like, I practically been figuring out like what to do with this hair, because you know, you guys, I'm not really good when it comes to hair. So I've been googling around and seeing like these nice natural hairstyles. So I'm going to attempt to do it. Don't laugh at me, okay? I've seen some pretty good ones, so let's see what we're gonna do with this. Okay, so I see when I watch those makeup videos, they always start with their eyebrows. So we're gonna do the eyebrows, right? Yeah.
Oh, no, 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 no.
It looks horrible. Let me go wash this off, man. Cause that looks horrible. Okay, so I'm going to attempt it one more time. I'm over here watching Stranger Things. Okay, I'm gonna attempt this one more time. I got this other mirror with me because it just looked crazy. Okay. Okay guys, so I am done. If you like this makeup, go ahead and say hashtag yes Taija G in the comments down below. And if you don't like it, just say nay Taija G in the comments down below. This was just teaching myself how to put on makeup. Remember, I am not an expert, and if you want to learn, you can. I'm excited. I think it looks fabulous. Yes, I do. It's pretty cute. So I'm about to go take some pictures and post it on Instagram. Go ahead and add me on Instagram at Taija G. Okay, I will have that in the comment. I will have that in the bio. I will have that in the description. Okay. All right. I will see you guys later with another get ready with me video and another natural hairstyle. I'm slowly progressing, and that's great. Never give up, okay? You only have one life to live. Just because you don't get it right the first time doesn't mean you just stop and don't do it. Come on. Bro, you're gonna just stop and not do it. Alright, I love you so much. I'm gonna go now, so I will see you guys later, alligators. Alright, peace. Bye.
J Squad.